Discover the magic of flight, forces, airflow, and control. Let's explore how lift, thrust, drag, and weight enable powered flight. Welcome to the magic of flight. Lift pushes the plane up, while weight pulls it down. Thrust moves it forward, and drag holds it back. Balanced forces make flight possible.
Are the key forces. Airflow over the wing creates lift, engines generate thrust through combustion, control surfaces manage pitch, yaw, and roll.
Let's explore how jet engines create thrust. Air is sucked in, compressed, and mixed with fuel. It ignites, blasting exhaust rearward. This creates an equal and opposite forward thrust. Control and stability. The elevator adjusts pitch, the rudder controls yaw, and the ailerons manage roll.